In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the BY-BM6060L shotgun microphone from Boya. Did I get it right? BY-BM6060L? I think that was right. Good. If you've been following the YouTube channel for any length of time, you probably know that I'm a big fan of Boya products, and I own a load of their stuff, including this. This is the Boya PVM 1000 shotgun microphone. It's a condenser microphone, but what makes this microphone special is that if you unscrew this little cap here, you can actually pop a AA battery into it. That's really cool. So you can power it, you can plug it directly into camera and record really high quality audio really easily. So when Boya reached out to me and said, did I want to try this new one, the BY-BM6060L, I jumped at the chance. So let's unbox it and take a look. So the first thing that greets you is the microphone itself in this kind of pleather case. I mean, it's a nice touch, but I'm not going to be using it again. Is there anything else in here? Got some elastic bands. You get a shock mount adapter, which feels cheap and plasticky, but it's nice to have it included. You've got a hot shoe adapter and a windsock. So this mic works in exactly the same way as the PVM 1000. It's got an on switch on the front, and then if you flick it to the next stage, then you've got your high pass filter, and you have obviously got your little compartment for your AA battery, which I just put in there. And you might be sat there thinking, why do I need a shotgun microphone for my YouTube channel, for my short film? What's the point? And why is that one so much bigger than that one? Shotgun microphones are incredibly directional, and the longer this barrel is, the better they are at rejecting the sounds around them. So I'm going to be mounting this microphone up here in a minute, and it should reject the noise of the fan that's in my light, the fans that are in my computer, and the fridge that I've got running in the corner. And the last thing I guess we should really talk about this microphone before I test it out is the price. I haven't been able to find it on Amazon. I would imagine it's coming very soon, and when it does, I'll put the link in the video description. I found it on a couple of websites, and the price seems to range from about £110 to £130, and you can be the decider on whether that's good value or not. So let me hook this up and we'll give it a test. Okay, so we've swapped to the Boya microphone. It's just there, as you can see. I've tried to get it about the same distance away as the Sontronics, but it is a bit lower, so it is in shot, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. So like I do quite regularly, I'm going to read the back of the box. And just before I do that, let you know that this is just straight out of the microphone. There's been no EQ, no compression. Ideal for indie films, TV programs, nature shows and more. Capture accurate sound in narrow pickup range. Maximum reduce the noise from the rear and sides, robust alloy aluminium construction, switchable high-pass filter control, 150 Hz, powered by a 24 to 48 volt phantom power or one AA battery, includes fur windshield, foam windscreen, carry pouch and shock mount adapter. And now I'm going to do the same thing again, but I'm going to EQ it a bit and add a little bit of compression. Ideal for indie films, TV programs, nature shows and more. Capture accurate sound in narrow pickup range. Maximum reduce the noise from the rear and sides. Robust alloy aluminium construction. Switchable high pass filter control. Powered by 24 to 48 volt phantom power or one AA battery. Includes fur windshield, foam windscreen, carry pouch and shock mount adapter. There we go. I've shown you what it looks like. I've shown you what it comes with. I've told you why I like this style of shotgun microphone with that AA battery compartment in the back. And most importantly, you now know what it sounds like. Up to you. Do you want to buy this microphone? If you do, let me know. Put it in the comment section below. Like this video if you like it and subscribe so you never miss another episode. I will see you again really soon.